Kasi marami na.
Hi.
Ha? Ano ang tawag ng araw? Sound na ba?
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old ones gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin.
What is your guess? Mom, why are we here?
Ito, ma, alam mo ba, ang tagal niya itong gusto.
Ma, nung binubok pa lang namin, di ba? Ma, wala kang alam, ma. Weh. As in, alam
Sabi ko, ang tagal naman kung sabi niyo, malapit na kasi kakain.
Hindi, pero nung November pa lang, wala ka nang alam. November pa to, no? November pa kami nakapost.
This morning has a clear light as any to see the horizon and the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a rest. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today,
1, 2, 3. Wait lang, 1, 2,
well,
3.
something's gotta give. Today is a